Morning, morning. Oh my, what? Mr. Cocoa Puff, you look so majestic. Yes, look at you, sir, in the morning light. Fantastic. Ladies, a lot of chatter. What? Yes, things are going to be beautiful today, but exactly. This evening, probably starting about 6 p.m., you are correct. Some possibilities of some rain. We're gonna love that. We're gonna love it. It's gonna freshen everything up. It's gonna be great for the garden. Well, you'll be fine. You've got plenty of cover. Why are you complaining? That is true. You are going to pray that we had these days when we're in 100 plus on the surface of the sun. So enjoy this time, ladies. The cool breeze. Oh, you two back there. Maybelline, Eglatina, you two look fabulous. Ladies. I am coming in just a moment with the feed. Wow. Okay, no more chit chat because you all apparently don't want to hear about anything about the weather or anything that doesn't involve scoops of food. All right. I think we should take it slow this time because last time we had a bag. We can't try to get this bucket in here. People will be let out. It'll be a fiasco. There. They'll call it Chicken Gate or something. Sorry about that on your back. This is just a distraction, ladies. Clearly, that's all it is. Which was they don't fall for that distraction for long, do they? They have figured out my plan, I guess. Thank you, Mr. Cocoa Puff. I will come in. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate you. All right, let me get this emptied out. Excuse me. Yes, I know the deal. I know my part. You do yours. Stay out of the bucket. That's your part. Stay out of the bucket. Okay? Ooh, yes. Yes, sir. It is going to be a fantastic day. Good morning. Excuse me. I believe that was Blip. Excuse me, Blip. Yes. Smart move. Waiting for this one over here. Very smart move. That is breakfast. Thank you, Mr. Cocoa Puff. That is breakfast, ladies. I don't know what you're balking about now. Lula. Lula says, I'm in here laying my egg. Hey, Lula. Pretty girl. Got a nice one here. Yes, we'll take that one. Thank you. What? Why are you pecking at my shoes? Yes, they are chickens. You like them? Thank you. Look at those big boys over there. I'll be over there in just a moment, gentlemen. Just a moment. All right? Looking like turkeys and stuff. All right. Okay, hey, Maybelline. All right, everyone enjoy. I'll bring the water back in just a moment. Well, I see you're making a mess in that. Okay, that's not the business, but it's your business. Leave the egg right there since I didn't bring out my egg tray. Gentlemen, they're always so calm. Of course they are. What else are they going to be? Oh, I don't have a complete full one here, so let's see here. Working with one hand. Not fun. It's that one. There we go. Yes, I'll be in there in a moment. Love camelids. Love them. Back up, gentlemen. Blocking the door. Coming in. Excuse me. Get your feet in. All right. Oh, wow. Let's get you some high ground up here. Oh, sorry, sir. How are you doing, sirs? Good, good. It's good to hear. Good to hear. Yes, I have more feet. Oh, my goodness. Oh, ma. Oh, sorry. Is that your foot? They're so big. I'm trying to make my way. Excuse me. I'm trying to get in here. Oh my goodness. Gentlemen. Oh, is it going to be an attack situation here? There's some there. There's some there. Okay, so everyone's not all proud to feed her. Calm down, guys. Calm down. There, calm down. Namaste. It's all good. I hear you. Wow. Okay. All right. Excuse me. I need to wait. Excuse me. Excuse me, sirs. Sir, excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Woo! It's thick in there, people. It's thick. your water jug here. All right, there you go. All right, have a good one. All right, it's time to test the water because we are now completely online. We are pumping into the fish tank. This will eventually be the fish tank, so we're gonna call it that right now, the fish tank. So we're pumping into the fish tank. It's overflowing into the swirl filter. Swirl filter's doing its part, and then from the swirl filter into the grow bed. Right there in the grow bed. And all the plants are doing fantastic as always. Fish are doing well. We still have a lot coming back from the pump, just returning into the tank. So I'm not even using all the flow of the water to push it up that height. So that's awesome, because you really don't want to overwork your pump if you don't have to. So we are doing really well right now. Water's low now because probably the actual tank is the grow bed is full and getting ready to empty into the sump. I'm going to start calling this the sump because that is actually what it is. These fish will be removed. This will strictly be the sump. So what we're going to do is I've got a couple of water bottles here. I've got them labeled. Okay, this one's for the sump. Let me get some water out of here. All right, there we go. Got some sump tank water. Set that right there. There we go. All right, now we're gonna take this one, labeled fish tank, and we're gonna go over here and get some of the fish tank water. Anywhere in here is fine. Okay, all right, so now we have the fish tank water. Okay, let's go over and see what we can figure out between these two. All right, I have my API Freshwater Master Test Kit, and we are going to test the pH, the ammonia, the nitrates. We're gonna do it all, people. We're gonna do it all. Okay, so first things first, let's test the ones that, there are some that take an additional few minutes and some are instant, okay? So for the instant ones, I believe one of those is the pH. So let's get ready to test that. I'm getting out all my test solutions. I should have done this beforehand. You are correct, I should have, but I did not. Okay, we're going to test the water in the sump tank. Let's test the pH. It says you are to drop 3 drops of the test solution in your vial with 5 milliliters of water, which is this vial here. Said vial. Looks like it's a little bit over. Let me get a little off there. There we go. Said vial. Okay. It says hold it completely vertical, so you want to get a full drop. 1, 2, 3. Didn't want to overdo that last one. Let's cap it. And let's invert it a few times. It says several times. And let's read it. Read this together. So we are looking at about a 7 point, it's somewhere between a 7.2 and a 7.4. Okay, vial number 2. We're going to test the ammonia in this. So as instructed, we are going to add, we're going to add 8 drops of test solution 1 and then 8 drops of test solution 2. Okay, so here we go. 8 of test solution 2. Shake vigorously for 5 seconds. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. And let the color develop for 5 minutes. Alrighty, let's move that out of the way. Move this up here. Okay, let's take a look. It's been 5 minutes. Let's see if I can get you guys a good view of this too. So, trying to get more of the sun there. Looking at it, I would say, wow, I would say about a 0.25 parts per million. That's what I'm going with. All right, moving on. Next test is going to be nitrites. That's with an I. So let's take a look at what we need to do for that. Here's our test tube, ready to go. 1. Whew! That last one, thank goodness, landed on my hand. That was close. It almost went inside. Okay, so we should cap the tube and shake vigorously for 5 seconds. We'll start our timer. It says, why test for nitrite? Nitrite, NO2, is produced in the aquarium/pond by the biological filter. Beneficial bacteria in the biological filter convert ammonia into nitrite. The biological filter then converts nitrite into nitrate, NO3. Nitrite in the aquarium/pond is toxic. It will prevent fish from carrying on normal respiration, and high levels will quickly lead to fish death. Okay, now we're going to look at the pH for the fish tank, the new fish tank. No fish in it yet, but this is what we're looking at. Trying to get you some good light on that. Let's see here if I can see. I think that's better. I would say that's a 0.5 parts per million. That's what I think that looks like. That looks like a 0 to me. 0 parts per million for the nitrates.